In this video we're going to be changing transmission fluid on 2006 Honda Ridgeline. This one has 260,000 miles, and my understanding is you need to change transmission fluid every 30,000 miles. I'm going to start by removing fill cover, fill cap, fill bolt, not sure how it's called, but it's 17 millimeter. Now I'm gonna remove the drain bolt. And for this one you just need 3/8 ratchet. Not sure why it's so tight, I'll have to get a pipe to add to it. It's loose. Now I'm gonna put this drain pan closer. As you can see, this magnet does its job. Just gonna wipe it down. Sometime in the future I think I'm gonna replace this drain bolt. You see how it's damaged right here? It still works though. This crush washer looks pretty good, but I'll replace it anyway. By the way, this truck was low on transmission fluid because I had a leak in, I think it's called solenoid something gasket. It was missing 5 bolts. You could look at my other video on Honda Ridgeline. That's fixed, so now there should be no more leaks. Now I'm gonna hand tighten drain bolt or drain plug, and I'm gonna tighten it further with ratchet, but don't over tighten it. I'm gonna use Honda transmission fluid, and I'll add 3 of those quarts. It would be nice to have a larger, longer funnel. Can't find crusher washer for this one, so I'm gonna use existing. Just like at the bottom, don't over tighten it. Now I'll put the truck on level surface, check transmission fluid level, and add more if needed. Looks like with 3 bottles it's a bit too low, so I'll add 1 more. I added about half a bottle. Level is good now. And according to Honda, or at least what I found online, you have to do the change every 30,000 miles, and you have to do it 3 times. Meaning you drive around for 10-15 minutes, you do another drain and fill. What some people do, and I think it's a good idea, is change transmission fluid every other time you change engine oil. I'll provide Amazon affiliate links for transmission fluid, tools I used to get this job done. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.